Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 253 new aftermarket solutions, including many that fix common repair problems. When the internal PCV diaphragm in the intake manifold fails on popular GM vehicles equipped with the Ecotec engine, it often results in damage to the PCV valve and the valve cover as well. This Dorman OE FIX solution includes a redesigned intake manifold to eliminate the original equipment failure, as well as an exact fit valve cover and breather hose to ensure a complete repair in one easy-to-order kit. While each component is available separately, simply replacing only the failed valve cover without checking the manifold for damage and replacing it if necessary often causes excessive oil consumption and other failures. That's why we've packaged these solutions together so you can be sure to get the job done right the first time. This precision-fit valve cover for various Chevrolet, Pontiac, and Saturn vehicles is designed to directly replace an original equipment part that is leaking or damaged. New installation hardware is also included for a convenient repair. Like all our valve covers, this design has undergone precise dimensional measurement, third-party material testing, and 500-mile long-term on-vehicle testing to ensure no leaks or oil consumption. The door panel on certain Dodge and Chrysler minivans can fatigue where the door handle mounts, leaving it loose and unsecured without extensive body and paintwork to repair the sheet metal. This Dorman OE FIX door handle repair kit provides a simple reinforcement to the original panel without the need for welding and paint. The kit also includes the necessary trim tools to safely remove the door panels for access to the repair area and an exclusive door handle installation tool to simplify installation. Replacing corroded rear air conditioning lines on GM SUVs can be time-consuming. Routing new preformed lines under the vehicle often requires removing major underside components. These time-saving Dorman OE FIX AC lines are made of corrosion-resistant flexible rubber for easy routing through the vehicle without the hassle of removing major assemblies, and their compact package is easy to store and ship. They arrive ready to install with pre-fitted factory-style connectors for a convenient repair. Modern diesel engines rely on countless emission sensors to run cleanly and efficiently. This direct replacement NOx sensor matches the fit and function of the original equipment sensor and features factory-style electrical connectors for a simple plug-and-play installation. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 80 new control arms, more than 20 door window sealing strips, and 70 new drive shafts for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, whenever you need a reliable repair solution, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com/signup.